Today we are going to study an extract by Rabindranath Tagore that says the spirit of freedom. The poet here is trying to explain us his viewpoint that true freedom of mind and spirit does not lie in the external factors, it is in within. We need to understand how and where do we want to live. We want to live a life of true freedom with external abidings, or internally we need to have a flourishing and imbibing mind. Yes, here the poet or the author is actually trying to explain us the true freedom through the times where the monarchs used to rule to a time where democrats have come up. He is come up of the view that we are not truly independent and free in our thoughts. Now let's have a look at the summary and explain it with these points. Freedom, an inner cherished idea. Now here the author is trying to explain that freedom is an inner cherished idea. You cannot have or attain freedom with external factors involved in it. You cannot justify your freedom with the external obligations of rules and regulations with it. When Tagore visited the West, when Tagore visited various countries in the West, he understood that now freedom has been misconceptualized and is now being converted into a feudal mentality, which is followed up with hypocrisy, and people are becoming more and more feudal mentality with in terms of true freedom. King around a corrupted environment. Now, trying to understand true freedom from the ages where monarchs or kings used to rule, he is understanding one thing and telling us that even the kings are also not free. They are just posed into an environment or in an imprisonment where they are flourished with a lot of abidings, with rules and regulations, whereas out of a thought we think once, a king is all an independent authority, but a king has to abide by all the rules and regulations of the court, is followed and manipulated by courtiers. And keeping in mind a king not being a true and a free soul, is always controlled by all his ministers and courtiers for their own personal and hypocritic views. Freedom unlimited and unchecked is only a myth. Now, entire freedom is only a myth. We get a freedom and entire relaxation only and only when we are free from within, not externally. So this is what is explained here. No absolute or unconditional freedom.